Hello everyone, welcome to Day 7 class. Today we'll be discussing learning English. In this video we will be seeing synonym and antonyms as well as idioms, which is important for WBCS prelim, upcoming examinations, state examination, and also for SSC CGL. So let's start our class. The first question coming is on antonym. The question is choose the antonym of edge. So the meaning of edge is anything which have an outside boundary. It means that this option boundary is the synonym of edge. The answer will be surface because this is opposite of the boundary. When we talk about the boundary, we talk about the outer boundary of any object. But when we talk about the surface, it is that opposite of the boundary. It means that the answer will be surface. Let us move to our next question. Choose the antonym of magnetism. We know that magnetism is a phenomenon in which it produces motion when an electric charge is produced. Whenever electricity goes, magnetism is produced around its surface. It produces an attractive atmosphere. It means that synonym of magnetism will be attractive. Here it is asking antonym of magnetism. The answer will be repulsion. Okay, let us move to our next question. Choose the synonym of imperative. In Hindi, the meaning of imperative is jaruri. It means that important. Here, the synonym of imperative is essential. Okay, which is something which is very important is imperative. Okay, essential. And antonym of its antonym of imperative will be insufficient. Okay, insufficient. So let us move to our next question. Choose the antonym of adequate. Meaning of adequate is satisfactory. Okay, meaning of adequate is satisfactory. So synonym will be satisfactory. Okay, so will be the opposite meaning of adequate? Opposite meaning of adequate will be insufficient. Okay, it means that meaning of adequate is satisfactory. For example, when we take some sentence that Sudha have adequate rice for this month, it means that Sudha have the rice which is much in quantity. It means that adequate rice. On the other hand, if we talk that Sudha has insufficient rice for this month, it means that Sudha has insufficient rice. It means that opposite of satisfactory. Okay, it means that it has less amount, and adequate means it has exact amount what we want. Okay, let us move to our next question. Choose the antonym of rampant. So first see what is the meaning of rampant. Rampant meaning spreading at a very fast rate. For example, the army is spreading very fastly in all over the country. Okay, so rampant. So here it is asking antonym. It means that rampant meaning is spreading. Okay, spreading at a faster rate. So its opposite will be controlled. It means that the spreading is controlled. Opposite of rampant is controlled. Okay, let us move to our next question. Choose the synonym of proliferation. The meaning of proliferation is rapid increase in number. For example, if we see the COVID-19, it has rapidly increased all over the world. Okay, so that is the meaning of proliferation. Its synonym will be multiplication. It means that rapidly it has multiplied. You can take the example of COVID here and spread it all over the country. That is increasing in the rapid number. That is the meaning of proliferation. Let us see our next question. Choose the antonym of congested. We all know that congested meaning is some place in which there is lot of crowd, congestion. Okay, here we have to select antonym, means opposite. Okay, so here the answer will be unblocked. It means that here the population is very less, or you can say that less people are here in this area. Okay, let us move to our next question. Choose the synonym of dispose. We all know that the meaning of dispose is to keep something somewhere. For example, let us take one sentence. He has disposed the medicine to the hospital. Okay, for example, this sentence we have. According to this sentence, we have to choose this answer. First option is inclined. Let us see what is the meaning of incline. Incline meaning is, for example, if you take, the meaning of incline is willing. Okay, so if you want to make a sentence, we can make a sentence like he was inclined to accept the offer. It means that he was willing to do the offer. In the same way also, when we are dispose, the option is dispose, it also means that willing. Okay, dispose means if he is delivering some medicine to hospital, it means that he is willing to do that work. That is the reason that he has taken the medicine and he has disposed it to the hospital. It means that the option incline is correct. The meaning of incline is not the inclined surface of physics. Okay, it has a different meaning in English. The meaning of incline in English is willing. Okay, let us see our next question. Choose the synonym of dismal. So let us see what is the meaning of dismal. The meaning of dismal is, for example, you have seen you will see many people in your life that they used to experience continuously change in mood. That they used to say that I don't want to do this thing because my mood is not good. Okay, I am feeling angry now. That is the meaning of dismal. Exact meaning of dismal is causing change of mood. Okay, the synonym of dismal is comfortless. Why the answer is comfortless? If for example, if a person mood is not good, what he will feel comfortless inside. He will not feel good. Okay, that is the answer of dismal. Okay, let us move to our next question. Choose the synonym of augmenting. The meaning of augmenting is something greater by adding to it. It means that to amplify. The answer is amplify. The meaning of augmenting is in Hindi is बढ़ाना. To make something greater in its aspect. For example, the sentence can be Ram has brought many augmentation in his products. What it means that it has augmented, he has amplified his products and he has brought many other products in the market. He has amplified it. Okay, that is the answer of augmenting, that is amplify. Let us move to our idioms also. Today we will discuss some idioms. First idiom is once in a blue moon. You have seen many a times in the examination and is very important for it. The meaning is something that happens very rarely. Okay, means something in a this is not like we used to say in Hindi Eid ka chand. This is not Eid ka chand. Okay, this is something Eid ka chand will occur because we know that it will come. But once in a blue moon means something which that happens very rarely. Okay, that means we can take it as like something very unique. Okay, the sentence is that company puts on a good performance only once in a blue moon. It means that that company show its good performance very less and sometime it can only be seen. Let us move to our next idiom, beating around the bush. It means that someone who is not getting on that particular topic and it is continuously avoiding that topic. The sentence is the president was beating around the bush when the citizen demanded a reason for the forgery of legal document. Okay, beating around the bush means when we are asking some person about a particular thing, but he is not giving the reply of that thing and he is giving and want to take us to another topic. That is, he is beating around the bush, means avoiding the main topic. Let us move to our next idiom, chip on your shoulder. Chip on your shoulder means when someone is upset about something that happened a while ago. It means that a person is not happy and he is sad due to something which happened earlier to him. The sentence is he has a chip on his shoulder for being abandoned by his parent in his childhood. It means that some memories which he have and he is what? He is sad. Okay, let us move to our next idiom. Cry over split milk. The meaning is complaining about a loss or failure from the past. For example, if milk used to fell from a kettle to ground, can we uh, bring that milk back into the kettle? Is it possible for us? No. If a milk fell over the ground, if the water, we don't take water because water is just a normal point. Here we are talking about milk, means milk is very important. Okay, so when we are talking about milk, here the idiom want to tell us that it is very important, means the meaning will be complaining about a loss or failure from the past. Okay, so crying over split milk, the sentence will be, yes, we made a mistake, but there is no point in crying over split milk. If a person do a mistake in his past, if he continuously used to cry over that why he has made that mistake, no, we should not cry over that mistake. We should move on into the future. Let us move to our next question. Spill the beans. It means that to disclose a secret. For example, if someone discloses your secret, the idiom will be on that case you can say that you have spilled the beans. Okay, the sentence is, the Latin world spilled the beans about surprise vacation we had planned. It means that the little ones, means that the small children have told someone that my parents is going for a vacation which was a hidden plan and they have disclosed it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my session. I will end here today, and thank you for watching. Ek like, share or subscribe to Banda for this video. I will be coming more important lectures for WBCS prelims, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, I will give the link below. Thank you for watching Dare to Win classes, the learning English class.